Hey guys, I'm Angel Hendry, and I am in the graduate program for the master's with the reading certificate, master's for elementary education with the reading certificate, and I teach at Faith Academy. I have this upcoming August will be my fifth year teaching period. I've always taught at a Christian school. I love to be able to talk about Jesus to the babies. Um, my personal goals are to get through this master's degree and to just really try to grasp some reading concepts a little bit better that I can help these littles because I teach K3, K4, K5 virtual this year, but I've taught K4 and I will potentially teach K5 this upcoming year. I've also taught first grade. So I love the littles with the reading instruction, the early reading instruction. I love to teach phonemic awareness and all of that fun stuff. But I'm hoping that through this degree program, I'll be able to have some more knowledge when I leave so that I can better help babies. My life goal is to honor the Lord with all that I do and to also raise my children. I have four boys. They're 6 and under, about to be 7 and under, and they're a huge blessing. I've been married for 10 years, and I just really don't want to fail my family. I want to do what I can for students up here at Faith Academy, but I also want to be a good mom. And I want my children to remember that Mama always loved them, even though she worked a lot. She always loved them. So with that being said, I hope that we have a good class. Bye, guys.